It's brand new, isn't it? This is a bit of a different one, isn't it? I mean, it's really hard to see, right? Come a bit further. Right, we're in shot, and we're actually recording right now.
Okay. Welcome back to Country Cow Designs. I'm Jo.
I'm Adam.
And we thought we'd do a little bit of a different video today for our bag making video. So,
well, Cornwall's coming up with a heat wave this week, so we thought we should come out and film outside for the first time.
yeah.
It's a bit different.
And then we can encourage all you bag makers that Cornwall's beautiful and it's time for you to come visit our shop, you know? So yeah, if you don't know, we have a shop in Newquay in Cornwall. It is one of the most beautiful places in the world when it's sunny.
And it is sunny for this weekend for a little while. I think for a little while it's pretty good. May and June are the best months for Cornwall. So
we found a quiet spot at the reservoir, but this month is May 2025, and we are looking at the pattern challenge for this month. So if you aren't already part of our pattern challenge, all you have to do to join is just buy the pattern for the month and make it, share it in the Facebook group. Everybody's going to be sharing tips and all of that sort of stuff, aren't they? Last month we did the Caitlin bag by Kando, and how did that go down? Yeah,
that was really popular. A huge variety of different bags. Thank you to everyone who submitted a little video so we can show people. We'll put them on the screen now and a little collage of other ones that are on the Facebook group. But it went down really well, didn't it?
It was a very popular pattern. It was a really, really quick bag to make, so I think that's very popular and it's a really cute finish. So this month we've got something very different. This one isn't going to be quite as quick, but actually it doesn't take that long. This is the Apex Carry from Incomplete Stitches. So if you haven't come across her before, she's based in Ireland and has some beautiful bag patterns. So this is quite a big bag. This is actually the standard size, and there's also an oversized size. So you can imagine how big that would be.
Oh, it gets bigger than that. Yeah. Oh, wow, okay.
It would be huge, right? So this is what it looks like. I really like this bag. It's so cool. It's got kind of like a noodle head vibe combined with a Kando vibe combined with lots of other things. It's just so cool.
The Apex design though is sort of, that's her design, isn't it? That's her trademark, isn't it, for more than just this bag?
Yes, so she's got other patterns that are like, they've got like little elements from this. So she's got like different Apex. I think she's got an Apex pouch and maybe a couple of others. And so there's two different versions. This is the zip top, and then she has one where it pulls in with a tag at the top, which looks so cool because it gives it a really cool shape as well. She's got two options for the exterior, this pocket here and this one here. So I did one of each. This is the zip top finish. It's got like a key lanyard inside, a couple of big slip pockets and a zip pocket as well. It is a very cool pattern. So if you have only ever made bags, I have got a little warning for you. This pattern's a little bit more like a clothes pattern, the way that it's the pattern pieces go together. So if you've ever made a clothes pattern, you'll know you've got to print out all the pages and then you have to stick together all the paper and then cut the pattern pieces after that. So you need like a big floor space or something and some sellotape. So I was really surprised when I started cutting out the pattern pieces. So it feels more like a clothes pattern, but other than that, you know, obviously it's a bag. And yeah, it's really fun to put together. She has got a video, which if you like photos for your bag making, I recommend watching the video. It's really helpful because it's like a diagram pattern. So if you like to see it visually, the video is really helpful. For the first step, I almost got the pockets the wrong way around. So I was like, I'm just gonna watch the video because I feel like I'm doing it wrong, and I was. Even though the diagram, once I watched the video, I was like, oh, the diagram makes complete sense. So yeah, just watch the video. I'll link that below. Oh, what else can I say about this? It looks really cool in wax canvas.
We've actually got a very small
number of kits we're going to put on the website for this.
Very similar to this look, isn't it?
This wax canvas, but a different style for the fabric here. Yeah. I use webbing for the handles. You can make them if you prefer. Oh, and the other big thing that I changed, I put a super firm stabilizer in the base and I just sewed it onto the exterior base because I thought I like a really sturdy base. Yeah. I don't like my bag to sag when it's full.
Especially for something that big.
So I just put it on the ground, so it's not going to be. If you can see, I can just sewed it on with a pattern. And then I added bag feet because I like bag feet. A little bit of extra hardware. It's not a very hardware heavy pattern, so I think you guys are going to enjoy this. So join the Facebook group, Sewing with Country Cow Designs. Grab the pattern directly from Incomplete Stitches online. I will link her website in the video description. That's the pattern challenge for May.
Shall I take that and then you can...
Okay, and then on a separate note, for our own sewing patterns. This is the Avalow Tote. If you haven't seen it, this is what we released for our own patterns this month. Well, in April actually. And I just wanted to show the magnetic snap version because a lot of people, they like the button version because it's got like buttons normally on the front, but they don't want to do that necessarily. This is the magnetic snap version. This is how it looks. You could use rivet magnetic snaps otherwise, couldn't you?
Yeah, yeah.
Especially with wax canvas, I think I'd use rivet ones. That would look really cool. So this is the bag. It's got loads of pockets, tons of pockets. It's got pockets for your coffee, travel mugs, pocket for your water bottle, pocket for your phone.
It's a proper day bag, isn't it?
It is a day bag, yeah. You know, your family can put everything in there, and yeah, and you can carry it all for them. So, yeah, that's the Avalo Tote, and that's from countrycowdesigns.com. What else have we got going on this month?
Well, you've almost finalised your next pattern, haven't you? We're not going to show it yet.
Yes.
But it's a simple, quick win. Super quick. You've done it real quick, so that'll be coming out.
I think I made 5 prototypes in one day.
Yeah, I can't give a shit. And we've not got one like it, so you'll like that.
And it's not a pouch. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's coming out. And I think it's also April, well, we're filming this for May. It's 12 months since we got the keys to our shop. So the shop we mentioned at the beginning, we've now been there for 12 months. It has changed hugely and got way busier.
Yeah.
And
we love it.
We love it, and we've got way more plans for the shop and other things coming along. So if you haven't been and you're in the area, pop in, see us at the shop.
Yeah.
Debbie and Esther will look after you.
If you're in Cornwall, come and have a visit. And if you're not in Cornwall, well, you should still come and visit because Cornwall's beautiful.
Yeah.
So. And in line with the new pattern, we are going to be getting 3/4 inch webbing into the shop, which I know loads of people have asked about in the past. So we're finally doing that because it fits a lot better with the new pattern.
And 1.5 inch brushed silver.
Hooks, sliders, yes, because people keep asking about that.
So that's incoming. That's another sort of investment to expand the hardware range. That's coming in, isn't there?
So if there's anything specific you want to see in our shop, bag making supplies, just like drop us a comment because we won't necessarily be able to do it straight away, but we like to kind of plan ahead for the year ahead and see what we're going to be, you know, ordering in.
And our water-resistant cotton canvas, we are trialling a whole number of manufacturers because we've been really let down by quite a few. So we've reached out to loads and we're waiting back for loads of samples.
Which should all be arriving in early May. So then we will have the water-resistant canvas coming back. I know it's super popular. It will come back. And also even more exciting, we're also going to get water-resistant canvas in partnership, hopefully, if it all works out, with a company in America who do the most amazing designs.
Oh, yeah.
Really cool, funky designs.
We'll announce that if that actually happens.
We're just working out all of the logistics at the moment, but I really hope that's going to go ahead, and then we'll have like a pre-order for water-resistant canvas, so keep an eye out.
And maybe just to conclude, a final message to our US customers. You may have noticed we were going to pause shipping to America. We didn't actually completely go through with that, but we've made a big disclaimer. If you buy through the website, be prepared for big tariffs that we can't advise on. We don't know really what's happening. Just do your research. In later end of May, we're going to do some test parcels to a couple of friends to see.
Or if you want to place a test parcel, be our guest. You can let us know what happens.
Yeah, do you get charged? Does it go through? I mean, things could change by the time this video even comes out. So.
But at the moment, you can actually put an order through, but you have to agree to a disclaimer to say that you've like researched how much it's going to cost you and you're aware, because the tariffs are payable by you guys, not us. So and they're changing all the time, so we don't know what they are. And if you guys get a 250% charge on the value of your order, woo, it's going to be a lot. I mean, if you buy $100 worth of stuff and then pay a $250 charge. I mean, look out. I wouldn't be happy with it.
There are things on the website which don't come from China, like our makers boxes, some of our tools. Other things are UK or EU, which is cheaper.
Look at the little badge on it. It says where it's made. Yeah.
But any questions, just drop us an email. But yeah, it's a shame we can't freely ship at the moment, but I mean, that may change. Just bear in mind if you're ordering from us. Yeah, and really the only way it seems to avoid them is to make sure you've got no Chinese-made products in your basket. So you can always email us if you're not sure. Our email address is shop@countrycowdesigns.com. Yeah. So we're always happy to help. Yeah. So there you go. Yeah. I hope you guys will join us for the pattern challenge this month. Let's show you the bag one more time, Adam. Yeah, and also if you're making the Avalo Tote, make sure you show that as well. Yes. So it's funny that they're two totes, but they're completely different. Yeah.
Mind you, they would look different because this one's wax canvas, this one's faux leather, but yeah.
Just make both.
Just make both.
Just make both.
Yeah, I like Adam's solution. So, in May, we're going to see you guys making both of these totes and sharing them on the Facebook group.
No pressure.
Have a great month, guys. We'll see you next month.
See ya.
Bye.